The armature is the central part of your impact driver's motor. It works with the magnet ring to power the tool. The armature assembly consists of the armature itself, the commutator bearing, and the drive gear. A new armature assembly will fix common problems such as a burned up armature, a bad comm bearing, or a stripped drive gear. Replacing the armature assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the battery and then disassembling one half of the housing. I'll use a knife to cut through the sticker at the base of the handle. And now I can separate the two halves. Now I'll lift the switch and remove the change lever. I'll use a small screwdriver to pull the connector away from the housing. This connector connects the LED lights on the front of the tool to the switch. And I'll separate the connector. Now I can lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing. And I'll pull this assembly away from the brushes. Now I'll separate the armature from the gearbox. Now I can separate the magnet ring from the armature. Now I can replace the armature. You'll notice on the magnet ring that the plastic casing extends farther out on one side than the other. I'll align the armature with the magnet ring so the flush side of the casing is towards the fan and slide the armature into the magnet ring. Now I can reassemble the motor to the gearbox assembly. The flat spot on the gearbox indicates the bottom of the gearbox. You'll notice on the motor assembly, on the magnet ring, there's a groove cut out on one side of the plastic casing. I'll align the gearbox so the flat spot is 90 degrees from the groove. As I slide the two pieces together, the legs should align with the magnetic ring. Like that. Now I'll reinstall the motor and gearbox assembly. I'll insert the commutator through the brush ring. To do that, I'll need to pull back the brushes. Now I'll begin aligning the motor with the housing. I'll reconnect the wire for the LED lights at the front of the tool. And now I need to reinstall the change lever. You'll notice the change lever is cut out on one side, and that cutout fits around the wire connector. So I'll place the change lever into the housing, align the post on the switch with the notch in the change lever, and then as I insert this into the housing, I'll make sure that the wire connector slides down into the recess in the housing. I'll make sure I have all the wires tucked out of the way. Like that. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the other half of the housing. The battery clip can be a little bit of an oddball. I want to make sure that I have both ends of the clip installed in the housing before I install the other half. I'll make sure everything is aligned. And then secure it with the screws. And now you know how to replace the armature assembly in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.